Do you want to earn $10 by pushing one button? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I'm gonna show you in this video, but first, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. You're in Digital Marketpreneur Channel, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online with affiliate marketing, but we also talk about making money online and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, hit the button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video, I want to give you a great strategy that you guys can use to earn $10 when you push one button. Now, I know this sounds crazy, but it's a very simple strategy that you guys can use over and over and over, and it does work worldwide. So you guys, you have to start taking action, because if you don't, you're never gonna know if this is gonna work for you or not. Now, I want you to go to a website that is called People Per Hour. Okay, we're gonna click on that. And what this is a freelancer website. Now, you're familiar with Fiverr, with Upwork, and this one, it's another one. So there's always a pattern. If one website started to work, other ones pop, and if they pop, they are making money. So these are strategies that actually work. If you go to People Per Hour, you're gonna click on background removal. Okay, and what they do is, you see this right here, this person removes backgrounds on these items for $10, and all you gotta do is you gotta click one time and the background will be removed. And I'm gonna show you how that works. See, this other one is charging $25, and what you have to do is you sign up for free. Those freelancer jobs, all you gotta do is sign up for free. You don't need anything, and I'm gonna show you what software do you need so you can actually start doing this right now. Now, I'm gonna show you that this person is charging $10. This one's charging $50. And when you're getting started, you want to charge $10 because you just being a beginner. Now, let's go and take a look, see what else we got here. Remove background, 50 to 100 images, or do anything in Photoshop, $50. This one, cut out the web optimizing. So as you can see, they're doing these jobs, and $10, you can actually start earning pretty good money with this strategy. Now we are gonna go to the actual software that you need to do, and that's the one that I use when I create my thumbnails in Canva. So I'm gonna show you for an example. You are gonna go to this website that is called Remove BG, and the way it works is you're gonna take your image, right, and you're gonna paste them right here, and you're gonna click one button and it's gonna remove the background. And if you sell that, you make $10. Okay, so you're gonna click on the upload image, and once you upload the image, you are gonna go and look for the image that you want. For this example, we are gonna go into this folder, and I have a picture that I'm gonna use on the thumbnail. So if you want to see how that works, check the thumbnail of this video. Let's see where I can find that picture. Right here, you open that up, And there you go. That's the original image, and this is the background. And this is the image with the background removed. All you do is you click download, okay, and you save it to the folder that you want to. So guys, very simple strategy, and that's it. One click, you're good to go. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, Carlos, okay, this sounds great and everything is super easy. How am I gonna get more people to look at my work? Well, you can actually go into Google, which is our great friend, and you gotta enter photo editing forums, okay? And you gotta I'm gonna look for photo editing, graphic design. That's the first one that popped. Let's take a look at that one. And you can go in here, and then you go in the lounge. Let's see what they got in the lounge. What do I look? Last person to post in this thread wins some demand, or a woman. Describe yourself, whatever you do, don't bump this thread. So you see this one right here, it says, how was your day? What did you do? So you can actually go on these forums, you sign up for them, they're completely free, and then you start talking about your experience with doing background images removal, and then eventually you gotta leave your link so they can go and see what job do you have. Create a portfolio, take 2 or 3 different pictures, put them as an example, and show exactly what you're doing. And as you progress, as you do more work, as you get better, as you're getting better reviews, you are gonna start earning more money. The more that you do, the better you get at it, and the better reviews that you get, then you can start charging $25, $30, $40, right? Another area that you can go and try to find people, and you go on Facebook groups, and you gotta go into Amazon FBA, okay, and then you are gonna join all these groups. A lot of these people are selling products, and what they have to do is they have to show the product. So they want to do a nice mock-up, they want to do a nice image to show their product. And what you can do is offer your services, that you're removing the background of that image, so then they can take it and put it wherever they need to, because you're ready to remove the background, and they can make that image look more professional. So you can also go to Fiverr, obviously, fiverr.com, and you can enter background removal, and you can see what other people are charging right here. These guys are starting at $5, okay? So you can see this is almost the same image that was in that other that was on that other website. So people per hour, and you can just sharpen your skill and learn a little more of how can you add more value to this background removals. But think about this: if you remove backgrounds on 5 images at $10 of $10 per image, that's $50 that you can do, and it literally takes you seconds to do this work. The software does the work for you, and it's free. You don't have to sign up, you don't have to do anything. This website is absolutely free. So you guys need to jump on this, do this work, go sign up. Now the difference between Fiverr and People Per Hour is that People Per Hour has a little less competition on it, because Fiverr, you already know that a lot of people talk about Fiverr and Upwork. Well, you can put your services on People Per Hour, and you will have better chance of having your work being shown to others. and you have a better chance of earning even. One of the other ways that I can tell you right now is to go to a YouTube channel. Go to a YouTube channel that's just getting started, and in the comment section, you can just say, hey, I know how to remove background images if anybody needs any help. You don't want to go there and just go paste your link on anything like that. If anybody knows how to remove background images, I know how to. I can help you. That will be one of the other ways that you can actually get people to work with you, or you can contact the person that owns the YouTube channel and let them know that you have the services that you can do this for them. So you don't have to sound like a salesy person, but you are somebody that's willing to help. So if you want more strategies on how to make money, subscribe to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, there's a video coming right here that shows you how to make money by writing names. This is absolutely simple strategies, guys, that can get you started, and you can make money online today with free tools. All you need to do is sign up and get the work done for these people. So check this video, and I will see you guys over there. I'll teach you how to do that right now.